Mwene wendo kana second wife 002 wa late John Demathio Carol Demathio ni akorwo akihithuria maria makoretwo magithie na mbere gatagati wake na Sarafina Demathio ari niwe mutumia mukuru wa late John Demathio. Carol thutha wa kuhithuria ati ni ambikite cira igoti-ini niguo anengerwo indo iria ugite ni atunyirwo ni Sarafina cia muthuri wao late John Demathio. Riu ni acokete nenda-ini na akaumbũrania maundu mothe makiria kiria giatumite akorwo agitwara Sarafina igoti-ini. Carol arauga we akorirwo agithie igoti-ini tondu endaga tu magayane na Sarafina indo cia muthuri wao, no Sarafina akimutunya indo ciothe kuona igoti ona rĩo nĩrĩa gukorirwo rigiteaniria kesi iria agitwarite. Arauga endaga magayane estate ya late John Demathio, akiuga we eciragia tondu Sarafina ni amwitikirite ahikio ni Demathio ta second wife things would be easy. Muthuri wao akwa ati ni maugikorwo magishare indo ciothe very peacefully na equally, but that was not the case na nikio ahanyukire igoti-ini. Akorwo akiaria ndeto ici kuhitukira nenda ciake cia ukinyaniria akiuga and I quote, I went to court and filed a civil case demanding to get a share of my late husband's wealth. However, the case was dismissed and I felt so disappointed. Agithie na mbere na kuga ati Ngai ndakuhoya muthenya wa uru ndukanareke ukie no ngigakia Ngai ukandeithia kuhotana. Carol akorwo akiripoti ndeto ici makiria ta blogger akiuga ati na thina wa besha na ni aremetwo kurera ciana ciake igiri. Akiuga bid to inherit my late husband's estate flopped. The late Kikuyu Benga star John Demathio second wife Caroline Demathio is trending yet again. This is after she stormed social media lamenting that she was living in regret and wondering why she had accepted to be Demathio's second wife. The mother of two claimed that after her husband's death she was fooled into believing that all would be well, only to be thrown under the bus 1 year later by her co-wife Sarafina Demathio. Carol ni arajetie na kuga ati na iketio ja ni mundu gwitwo Sarafina Demathio, akiuga ati Sarafina ni kuhithahithaga white riria akihikagio ni late John Demathio na nikio makihuraga mbica guku makihag magikenanira, no thutha wa muthuri wao gukua maundu magiuka gucenjia. Akiuga ati ni ararera ciana ciake na thina na koguo ni arenda uteithio.